Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the advantages of object-oriented programming. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Advantages of Object-Oriented Programming. Object-Oriented Programming or OOP refers to several advantages that make it a popular paradigm in software development. Here are some key advantages of Object-Oriented Programming. Number 1, Modularity and Code Reusability. OOP of Object-Oriented Programming promotes modular design, allowing you to break down complex systems into smaller, self-contained objects. Objects encapsulate data and behavior, making them reusable in different parts of the program or even other projects. This modularity enhances code organization, maintainability, and reusability. Number 2, encapsulation. OOP or object-oriented programming emphasizes encapsulation, which means bundling data and related behavior methods and functions into objects. Encapsulation hides the internal details and implementation of objects, exposing only the necessary interfaces for interaction. This provides data protection as objects can control access to their internal data, enforcing data integrity and preventing unwanted modifications. Number 3, code maintainability. OOP's modular structure in encapsulation facilitate code maintainability. Changes or updates can be made to individual objects or classes without affecting other parts of the program. This modifiability and isolation of components simplify debugging, testing, and overall maintenance, reducing the chances of introducing errors and making code easier to understand. Number 4, code reusability and extensibility. With inheritance and polymorphism, OOP or object-oriented programming allows you to create new classes by inheriting from existing ones. This inheritance mechanism promotes code reuse and extensibility. By building on existing classes, you can add or modify functionalities without modifying the original code. This saves development time, improves productivity, and encourages the creation of scalable software systems. Number 5, abstraction and modeling. OOP or object-oriented programming enables abstraction where you can represent complex real-world entities as objects with their attributes or data and behaviors or methods. This abstraction allows you to model real-world concepts and provide domains more accurately, making it easier to translate real-world scenarios into code. OOP's abstraction and modeling capabilities enhance the overall design and conceptualization of software systems. Number 6, collaboration and teamwork. OOP supports collaboration among developers by providing a clear, standardized way of designing and implementing software. With well-defined objects and interfaces, different team members can work on different parts of a program concurrently, knowing how their components interact. OOP's modular and reusability nature promotes collaboration, code sharing, and teamwork. Number 7, polymorphism and flexibility. OOP or object-oriented programming enables polymorphism, allowing objects of different classes to be treated interchangeably through common interfaces or inheritance hierarchies. This flexibility allows you to write generic code that can handle various object types, making it easier to extend and modify the system without affecting the existing code. Polymorphism enhances code flexibility, adaptability, and scalability. Number 8, code organization and understandability. OOP or object-oriented programming emphasizes organizing code into objects, classes, and hierarchies, making it more intuitive and easier to understand. The encapsulation of data and behavior within objects promotes a natural representation of the problem domain and improves code readability. OOP's modular structure and clear relationships between objects enhance overall, overall code organization and comprehension. Disadvantages of object-oriented programming contribute to the development of robust, maintainable, and reusable software systems. However, it's important to note that OOP or object-oriented programming may not always be the best choice for every programming scenario. And the selection of programming paradigm should depend on the specific requirements and constraints of the project. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the advantages of using object-oriented programming. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.